Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to hide your story on Instagram from a certain person, so that he can't see it. It will be seen by all but one person. How do you do it? You go to Instagram and open your story. At the bottom you click on the three dots. Then you click on story setting. And here we choose hide story from. And here we have a list of all the people who are associated with our account. In the search, we write the name of the account we want. If you can't find it, check if you spelled the name of the account correctly. For example, I want to hide my story from this person. I click on it. Then I click done. And now that person can't see our story. That's an easy way to do it. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.